Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Zotero in Word and how to add references in Endnotes. So click on Word here. After clicking, you have to choose a document. If you have a document, then you will select it as I'm choosing this. Now this is a dummy document here. So before using Zotero in your Word file, as here it is showing Zotero here, but how it came here, this is another thing. So I will make another video how to bring Zotero in MS Word, but today I'm just gonna show you how to use this in MS Word. Zotero has its own functionality. It has a library in which references are added automatically when you extend Zotero with Chrome. So I will make a video for this purpose. But today I'm just gonna show you how to use this. For example, in this line, I want to add a reference here. I want to add an endnote here. Then I will click on Zotero. Here it will open in this form, in this interface. Add and added citation. This is actually for in-text citation. Click on this, then it is showing that you should open Zotero in another form. So Zotero, open it. As I have known it, maybe it may not work, but let's see how it works here. So now click on this. Yes, Alhamdulillah, this is working. Now this is citation style, you have to select it. Mostly for law, we use Oscola, and hardware is general style. You can use it for any document. But here I'm using Oscola. Click on OK. And now you have to choose which reference saved in your library. This is the library of Zotero in which references are already added. I will make a video how to add references in Zotero library, but today just notice it how it works. For example, hard versus machinery, I'm using this. Click on OK. Now this is automatically work here. One is read here and its add note is here. Hard versus machinery 2001 266 F3D 1155 Code of Appeals 9th Circuit. In the same way, I can also use this here. Click another, Bridges versus California. Okay, this is now true, and its end note is in the bottom, just like this. Hope you find it helpful. Inshallah, follow for more, subscribe for us.